Hello children, now we are going to categorize the things in our kitchen into solids, liquids and gases. First of all, we are going to identify solids.
Salt, lunu,
rice, hal, sugar, seeni, glassware, viduru band, ice cubes, ice kettle, cutting board, කපන ලෑල්ල, pots, වලං, spoons, හැඳි. Now we are going to identify liquids in our kitchen. Water, ජලය, coconut oil, පොල් තෙල්, vegetable oil, එළවලු තෙල්, vinegar, විනාකිරි, honey, පැණි, fresh milk, එළකිරි, orange juice, දොඩම් බීම, tea, තේ, dishwashing liquid, දීසි සේදුම් දියර, lime juice, දෙහි උෂ. Let's identify gases in our kitchen. Liquid petroleum gas, LP gas, steam, Himalaya,